Hello everybody, this is Benji with Mill Creek Range. Do have some sad news to report. One of our fellow YouTubers, his YouTube channel was a black powder firearm enthusiast, Mr. Carl Gula. He passed away on January 30th unexpectedly. And he had a great channel, always enjoyed watching. He had a passion for all things black powder, a lot of cap and ball guns. I actually didn't know this until his family had posted it, but he had been 10 years with the San Bernardino Police Department. So thank you, sir, for your service. And Carl, this here is for you, because I know how much you like your cap and ball pistols. So with that, his family does have a GoFundMe page to help with the funeral expenses, and I've got a link down inside of the description on this video where you can go. I urge you, if you please can, go and give what you can. Okay, every little bit will help. And again, Carl, we're so sad of your unexpected passing. Enjoyed your channel. I will actually still be going through the videos from time to time, and you will be missed. And I urge each and every single one of you, if you can, go to that link and give what you can. It would all be much appreciated. Thank you. Have a good day. Keep your powder dry, and hope to see you on down the trail. Bye now.